Hi friends, I hope you all are doing awesome. Your very own DC analysis is back with a bang. So after the successful very first 4 matches, we are back with the fifth one, KKR versus MI. So today we are going to provide you complete analysis of this match. The first few matches of IPL 2020 have been thrilling. We have seen a super over already, the value of experience and number of very improved players. There have been some letdowns as well, but it is far too soon to write off anyone. This next match is going to be played between Kolkata Knight Riders and Mumbai Indians. KKR is the last team to get started and will be playing its first match of IPL. Mumbai Indians, on the other hand, suffered a defeat at the hands of Chennai Super Kings in their very first match. Both teams are very strong and have come truly brilliant talent. Can KKR get off the blocks in the flash, or will the Mumbai Indians learn from their mistakes in the very first match? KKR versus MI IPL 2020 is going to be played at Sheikh Zayed Stadium, Abu Dhabi on 23rd of September 2020. Now coming for team previews, Kolkata Knight Riders. The Kolkata Knight Riders will have been watching all the matches so far and been learning. We have seen the pitches so far have a surprising amount of pace and bounce in them. The curators have left grass on the surface to prevent them from cracking up and to allow stroke plays. This is something that KKR will enjoy. Its strength is its batting. We expect to see Shubham Gill open for this duration of this IPL 2020 season. He is a phenomenal talent but has not really had the kind of brilliant year that will see him press for a place in the Indian team. He will have Sunil Narayan at the top if he is fit. Narayan missed the last few CPL games and may be rested just as a precautionary measure. KKR has the option of picking Tom Banton in place of Narayan or perhaps shifting Rahul Tripathi up the order to add another overseas bowler. We would personally like to see Banton in there, but KKR pace bowling is not the strongest. Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, and Andre Russell form a very strong middle order. Morgan has been in brilliant six hitting form, while Russell has a productive CPL as well. We are not sure if Russell will actually bowl too much this season, but he can be very dangerous if the surface continues to offer some bounce. KKR bowling attack is a bit on the weaker side. Pat Cummings was very expensive in England. Kuldeep Yadav had his worst year in IPL 2019 and had to be dropped, while the Indian pace contingent is inexperienced. Prasidh Krishna and maybe Shivam Mavi might get a game to start off with. This is why addition of someone like Lockie Ferguson might be useful if Narayan is not available. Now coming up to Mumbai Indians. The Mumbai Indians continued their tradition of starting slow and lost a game to CSK that they really should have won. They will now face a tough examination against KKR as well. Mumbai looked rusty in its previous match. Rohit Sharma, Quentin de Kock looked good before throwing it away. The same can be said for Surya Kumar Yadav and Hardik Pandya as well. We are also not sure if Saurav Tiwari is the best option at number 4. He scored 42 of 31 deliveries but is not the best at rotating the strike and seems to be a little suspect against the short pitch bowling. For some strange reason, Mumbai Indians continues to undervalue Kylan Pollard. They just don't not send him up the order and allow him to bat as he can. He performs at number 6 is almost always curtailed during to the lack of available deliveries or batting partners. The middle order power in the Mumbai Indians is just as good as what KKR has, if not better. Jasprit Bumrah was strangely out of touch in the previous match. He did not seem confident enough to try for his Yorkers and ended up conceding a lot of runs. Trent Bolt was easily the best bowler for Indians in the previous match. His abilities to pick up early wickets is going to be crucial once more. Mumbai picked James Pattison for their opening match, but we can easily see him being replaced by Mitchell McClenaghan or Cotton Isle. The strengths of Mumbai Indians team are not going to change or disappear overnight. The slow start and the current form of their leading players raises some concerns though. Of coming off to the toss prediction. The toss is going to be very important. We saw the pitch become better for batting in second innings and Dave made things even more difficult for bowlers. Winning the toss and batting second is going to be huge advantage. Pitch and its condition. We all came into IPL 2020 thinking it was going to be low scoring contest on dust balls. Ideal spinners. Well, the curators have done their job very well and been able to provide us a surface to bat on, which will get a good bounce and a grass on them. The squares have enough number of pitches that this trend could continue for the first few weeks of IPL because the surface starts slowing up. Mumbai Indians played their first match on the same ground. The ball came on nicely to the bat and there was hardly any turn or offo. There was also a lot of dew that favors the side batting second. Now coming for Dream 11 prediction. For Dream 11 we are going for wicketkeeper Quentin de Kock, batsman Surya Kumar Yadav, Shubham Gill, Rohit Sharma, Eoin Morgan. We are going Eoin Morgan as vice captain of our team. Then for all-rounders, Kieron Pollard and Andre Russell as a captain. And for bowlers, Trent Bolt, Rahul Chahar, P. Krishna and Pat Cummins. This is going to be our lineup for Dream 11. Now coming up to the winning part, the most important part of the match. So as you know, both teams have a very strong batting lineup with the power hitters in the middle. Mumbai looked a bit rusty in the opening match and the lack of form from Jasprit Bumrah concerns us. The presence of an in-form Eoin Morgan and Andre Russell with plenty of cricket in their belt is a big advantage for KKR. So if you are planning to go ahead with KKR. KKR will win this match. Before signing off, click on subscribe button, like the video and provide your feedback in the comments. Thank you all. Have a great day ahead.